What's going on, YouTube? Tony here, Positive Tech Reviews in the building. Recording with my OnePlus 7 Pro on a dash of my car, front-facing camera, 1080p, because this thing, I can't find 4K or anything on here, so it just only records at 1080p, which is fine with me, and that all rhymed. But we're making this video because I just watched Ace Lucero's video before I left the house, and he's having issues with uploads directly to YouTube from the OnePlus 7 Pro. And I have made videos on this phone, but I've never directly uploaded them to YouTube. I did some edits and stuff like that, so I transferred them straight to my MacBook. But this video here is going directly up to YouTube, hopefully. And this is 2 weeks later with the OnePlus 7 Pro, and I am loving this phone. I'm loving this phone so much that I actually sold my Pixel 3 XL because the immersive experience on this phone when watching videos and stuff like that is just crazy good. And then switching back to the Pixel 3 XL with a notch, nah, I wasn't having that. So I had to let it go, man. So shout out to Trevor, Twitter. He purchased it online. I shipped it out yesterday, so you should get it Friday. It's a good phone. I sent a bunch of cases with it. But yeah, 2 weeks later with the OnePlus 7 Pro, I've been using it every day as my daily driver. I got my 3A as my navigation now. It's running off of my Google Fi account. So I set up on Google Fi. I got mad referrals on there. So I got like over $300 on my Google Fi account from referrals. So I got enough juice there to do all kinds of live streams and just use up all kinds of data. So yeah, so I got that phone on that one, and my main SIM is on my OnePlus 7 Pro. It's my main driver right now. I mean, this is the one that I use every day for the last 2 weeks. 90 hertz display. I thought it wasn't very noticeable. It is very, very noticeable. I mean, the screen is beautiful. The performance on the phone is just the best performance I've used on any smartphone. I mean, fluidity-wise, performance-wise, it just, I haven't had a hiccup with it yet. So 2 weeks later, no issues whatsoever. Uploading to YouTube directly from the phone may be the first hiccup if it doesn't upload for me. But haven't tried it yet. Like I said, this is the video that I will be uploading. If you don't see this video up today, it's because it didn't go through. If you see it with some, if you see this video and the beginning of the video has my intro on it, then it didn't go through directly. So yeah, I had to edit it up on my MacBook. But no, this is going directly up. We'll see what happens. I'm going to try it out anyways. Overall, hope everyone's having a great day. I hope everyone has a great 4th of July Day weekend. Drop a comment. Let me know what you guys plan on doing as far as cooking out, fireworks. Did you get fireworks? Me personally, I'm going to sit out in my backyard, have a little cookout back there. And I got a huge deck. And from the deck back, it's all wooded area, and we can see, apparently what my neighbor told me, we can see the fireworks really, really good. Maybe real close, I'm not too sure. It's Parma, Ohio fireworks, so we'll see what happens there. My first year at this place, at my new home. My first year that I'm about to watch the fireworks. So maybe I'll record it and share it with you guys, depending on how close the fireworks are or whatnot. But yeah, drop a comment. Once again, OnePlus 7 Pro has been great. Actually, I'm digging the phone big time. And I'll catch you guys on another one. Drop a comment. And I think I said that 100 times already. But yeah.